I just wanted to do a Christmas video and wish y'all a Happy New Year, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever other holidays there are. I'm packing right now and I'm about to head out to Oklahoma to see my grandpa for the holidays. I'll be back on Wednesday, but I just want to say Merry Christmas once again. And I hope you get everything you ask Santa for, and most importantly, I hope you have an amazing time with your friends and family. I know I will. Maybe, hopefully. But I'm not sick anymore, so that's a plus. No doctor's videos, and yeah, this is all. So, happy holidays!